I want to take a quick moment in this clip to point out some of the basic controls in the Dr. Rex loop player that you have available to you to change the tones of the individual slices and to be able to do some interesting things with these loops that we've created into Rex files. Let's take a look at the actual Dr. Rex device, and let me show you how you can use these controls to manipulate these individual slices. First thing you should do is choose this button, Select Slice via MIDI. If you want to alter one of these slices, simply selecting it will not allow you to preview it, so you actually cannot hear what it is you're selecting. But if you hit Select Slice via MIDI, you can play the keyboard, and you can select a slice and actually hear what it is that you're altering. Now, with the pitch control, I can take this individual slice and pitch it up or down. You can use the panning to actually pan a slice in a different part of the stereo field. And this is very useful when you're using percussion loops, so that you can use different elements, different slices in the percussion loop and create more of a stereo image. You can also change the volume of a slice individually, apart from all the rest. Let's hear what this sounds like. Let's preview it. So you can hear those slices have been pitched up or down. The other thing you can do is you can transpose the entire loop with a transpose dial. And sometimes I will take a loop and transpose it up an octave, and that gives it more of a percussion feel. And you can use it on top of another loop or randomize it and create some interesting percussion effects with it. Another control that's part of the Dr. Rex loop player that's useful is the filter. And basically we have the cutoff of the filter. And what I can do here is set it to low pass. That way you can darken that loop, or even use a high pass filter here and remove some of the low end of the loop. Transpose this back down. Or you can use a notch filter as well. And you can also transpose this all the way down, make it a lot darker. So this is all editing that would take you probably a lot of time in a digital audio workstation. If this was an audio file, you would have to pitch shift each of these individually, as opposed to grabbing a dial and auditioning the change in pitches.